Good day everyone, this is Rachel and I'm back at my kitchen. For today's video, what I'm going to make for you today is the most searched Filipino dish, and that is pork adobo. And our ingredients are the following: 2.2 pounds or 1 kilogram pork shoulder or pork butt cubed, salt, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 6 cloves of garlic smashed, 1 tablespoon of lemon, 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 4 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of whole peppercorn. So, let's get started! Heat the pan for medium-high heat for like 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, and then put the cooking oil. So, here's what I made for you, pork adobo. Looks so yummy, delicious, and I know it's gonna be delicious, so let me take a bite for you. Wow, this is the best pork adobo ever. And if you want a more beefy dish, click on this one.